I bought some cryptocurrency and it went down. What the hell happened? I thought this stuff only goes up. Here's what you need to know about investing in cryptocurrency in 2022. It goes down. It goes down. As of this video, which a lot will change by the time you watch this, even by the time I finish this video, a lot can change. Bitcoin's currently at $41,808. It's gone down 11.4% in the last week. Ethereum is currently at $3,191.94. It's gone down 22% in the last 14 days. So cryptocurrency does go down. So a lot of people that got into crypto, they did so because, for obvious reasons, they thought this is the way to make a lot of money. Because everyone online is telling you how crypto is the way to make money. There's money to be made. This coin went up 1,000%. Shiba went up 12,000%. All these coins are going up. Everyone's getting rich. Everyone's a millionaire, billionaire now. Okay, cool. But then you decide to put some money in. It's 2022 now. You're like, all right, I'm going to get into crypto. You figured out you're using Simple. You're using ShakePay. You found Coinbase, whatever you're Binance. You got in, and you're like, what gives? Well, here's what you need to know. It goes down. Cryptocurrency doesn't just go up. Like, there's no investment that just goes like this. Everything goes a little bit up, then down. The problem with crypto is that when it goes down all the way. And it's really tough to catch a falling knife, as you may have heard that expression. So, I was buying the dip, right? I was buying the dip, and then I kept on going down, down, down. And I just had to turn my accounts off today. It's January 7th. No more checking crypto for the rest of the day. And I need you to know this. It will go down. It does go down. And you're not always going to get rich. There's going to be times where you buy a coin, it goes down 20% the next day. So what does that mean? It means don't panic, obviously. Is that this is just a part of the ride. When you sign up to be a cryptocurrency investor, you start buying cryptocurrency, you're going to go on a roller coaster ride. It's going to go up and down. When it does go down, don't panic, because it does happen. The second most important thing you need to know about cryptocurrency right now is that the experts are clueless. And I use the word expert loosely because I'm considered an expert in some topics, but I still don't know what's going on, right? So, but when it comes to cryptocurrency, I did what you would normally do. You follow the typical people. You follow the crypto pundits or whatever you call them. I follow the Telegram groups. I got invited to a bunch of Telegram groups. People on Twitter, people on Instagram. I follow people that are supposed to be experts that claim they're making 1,000%, and they're all clueless. Like Bitcoin was supposed to hit 100,000 this year, or sorry, 2021. So in the last year, it was supposed to hit 100,000. That's what people were saying. It was on track to hit that. Everyone was using this magical number of 100,000. It didn't even come close, Now it's hovering around the 40,000, 42,000. It's gonna. I hate to even say numbers. By the time you watch this, it could be worth 10,000. It could be worth 50,000. I don't know. But a lot of experts are clueless. So, I remember there was a Cardano was going down, and someone said, "Oh, now it's time to buy the dip." So I'm like, this guy seems like he's got a good track record, right? So I bought the dip, and then just kept on dipping. So there was no dip. I was trying to catch a falling knife, and like an idiot, I got cut, and it was a very bad, I'm still holding. Hopefully it goes up, right? I don't plan on taking the loss anytime soon. I'm gonna wait till it goes back up in value. But experts are clueless. So if you're gonna make a decision, be comfortable with the fact that the person telling you this doesn't know what they're talking about, which is very tough to be comfortable with because you want to trust this expert. So if someone says, this coin's guaranteed to go up, please know it could also go down just as much as it's guaranteed to go up, the opposite direction. So stop blindly trusting experts and just don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Don't risk your life savings. So I started promoting cryptocurrency and discussing it on social media, and as I've done this, a lot of you guys have gotten into it. You guys bought some Bitcoin, bought some Ethereum, you tested it out, and that's cool. I'm all about trying different investments. If there's a book you want to read that book. It's $20. You're not going to go bankrupt. But I would apply the same logic to cryptocurrency. Don't invest money that you don't have. Don't put your life savings into this. So people were telling me how they're going to invest in Shiba. I'm like, I can't tell you not to invest in something because we all want to buy a lottery ticket, right? Everybody wants a chance at the lottery. And that's what a lot of these coins are. They're gambling. There's no way around it. It's like, Elon Musk says one thing, and then it goes up 100%, and then you're just hoping that he says something else about, like the Dogecoin. When he went on SNL, people are just hoping he's going to say something about the coin. It's going to go up in value. That's not a way to live your life, waiting for someone to pump this coin up for you. So I would not put a majority of your wealth into cryptocurrency. This is something that, you know, a lot of people they're going all in, and I respect that, but that's just crazy. I mean, good for them, but that's not reality. You don't want to be the person that put their life savings into something that it went down. Like with Shiba, a lot of people they're like, oh, you know, they try to get rich from it, and then it went down. As if you look at a chart, that Shiba's been all over the place, and people they tell me, oh man, I can't believe I did that. I put all this money into that. And like, I'm sorry, it's just not worth it. Don't do that. What I do when I find like I'll put money into Bitcoin, Ethereum. I put like X amount, not a lot. I give it a couple weeks or whenever I see a little dip or something. But then with these altcoins, like stuff like Solano, Cardano, Dot, Matic, I'll take like $1,000, and I'm like, you know what? If I put $1,000 into this coin and I believe in this form of crypto, I believe in the project. Hopefully it goes up, you know. If it goes up, I'll make some money. If not, it'll be a lesson learned. But it's definitely not my life savings. Keep your money, and you know, diversify. You know, I'm all about different investments, like investing in yourself, investing in real estate, investing in stocks. You want some safe investments like mutual funds and ETFs, but no life savings. The most important thing, arguably, that you must know about cryptocurrency investing in 2022, I like doing that, is that there are a lot of scams. So there's 3 types of scams that we have to address. Number 1 is a rug pull. So it's kind of like what it sounds like. This thing gets hyped up and it just kind of disappears. Look into it. It's very annoying, but it just goes away. Your money literally goes away. There's a pump and dump. So people pump up a coin, just so they could all sell it. This happens in stocks too. People just pump it up. Everyone sells it, gets out, and it's worthless. And third scam is just flat out robbery. So there's like I was looking into it. I mean, I've seen a lot of headlines about people losing their life savings or their money on cryptocurrency and scams. It's very it's very stupid. So people will like just straight up send money into something that they don't trust. Although someone will tell them send money into this wallet. So when you're sending money into a wallet in the crypto world, you better get the numbers right, because you're sending this money into thin air. It can just vanish, right? So I really can't figure out how these people are getting scammed. I guess they're just clicking on incorrect links, or just giving money to people they don't trust. Don't do that. Use a reputable source for your cryptocurrency purchases. I use ShakePay. I use Wealthsimple. Like Wealthsimple's they're very popular. You know, there's Coinbase. There's Binance. There's a lot of popular options, popular sources. Use one of those. Don't buy from a stranger. Like don't. I know if you're watching this, you probably wouldn't fall for this. But there's people out there that do. And then also watch out for like these Telegram groups. You get added to a Telegram group, and they'll tell you about some coins going up, and you get excited because everyone's like, "Oh my god, I'm in 100% of my money." So you get in. Money may go up, but you may get stuck with this thing because if you did a pancake swap exchange, or if you just kind of, if it's in a DeFi space, there's no rules, right? It's decentralized, so it could just go away, or you could the opposite problem. You could just not be able to sell it. Like it's tough to get rid of coins sometimes. I tried getting rid of something, and like it was a whole hassle. So watch out for the scams. And I know right now it's January. You know, you spent a lot of money over the holidays. Your credit card bill is coming due. You're a bit stressed out. I understand all that, and you want to make money. So you're thinking, oh my god, I'm gonna buy this coin. I'm gonna make 100% returns, 200% returns. If it sounds too good to be true, this applies to anything. It is. It is too good to be true. It's never that easy, you know. Like no one's gonna message you on Instagram and say, hey, you know, here's a way to make a $3,000 and here's how you do it. Like in the perfect world, yeah, you would assume that people are good people and they help you out, but that's just not how life works. There's a lot of scams, and just avoid people selling you the dream in anything you do in life, but especially in cryptocurrency. These are 4 things you must know about investing in cryptocurrency in 2022. Thanks for watching, and good luck.